Anything you'd like to say to the vlog, man?
Not today, no, thank you.
Hey vlog, it's Monday. Just uploading the other episode as well. And this morning it's all been about like optimizations, and I'm just putting together some design guidelines. So we've got a new designer that I'm interviewing today. So something that we have in our Figma files is a very set process of running them through different pages as the design develops. I've been writing in our wiki that I showed you in the last episode the different stages, and then as well like what they should do when it comes to client feedback. And then for our product manager, I'm just updating the rules for him so he knows what to do when we need to set up a new design document. What's up vlog? You know, I said that I was trying to be more efficient with meeting. Now, the thing I kept noticing was that not only did I not have a database to collect all this information in so I can refer on to later, I was filling up loads of these pages really quickly. And I was thinking to myself, in my week review that I do, I have to click in and then click on the individual meetings, and it's just a really long process. So now what I've done is created a table with all of the points in, discussion points, notes, action points. And what I usually do at the end of a meeting is I email the person who was attending the meeting notes. However, now, because I've got this attending thing, which pulls their contact data, I can click this email meeting notes and it will automatically send them all the meeting notes automatically. Nice and easy. I was watching some videos over the weekend, and there's this guy who turns everything in his life, meetings, tasks, everything, into databases and tables, because then he can interlink them around his agency. And the reason I want to do all this data stuff is because I want to start figuring out how many meetings I'm doing a week, how many of them are for team stuff, how much of them was for leads, deals, etc. And start getting a good kind of grasp as to how much time I'm actually spending on these, and are they worthwhile as well, you know? Hey vlog, I'm at clients today called Bobble Hat. They design retail stands for clients. Here's a look at their offers. Anything you'd like to say to the vlog, man?
Not today, no, thank you.
Hey gang, today I'm doing what's called a mastermind with a company called Guider based in the UK. So this was $280 for a 1 month pass. They do 2 mastermind sessions and they do a couple of round tables as well where they're asking questions. It's with a load of other agency owners around the UK and Europe. And then on top of that as well, in the mastermind sessions, 3 people will get a hot seat. Each person will tell the group their problem, and then the group will help solve that problem together. There's a couple of agencies here that are doing like $200,000 to $500,000 a month. Some are doing $1 million. So yeah, that's from 8 till 12 today. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to record, but I'll try and slip in a time lapse or something anyway. See you in a bit. So we've just started really going into like the deeper things now. Some of the things I can tell you that have come up already that are really cool is like people talking about their onboarding processes. I think one of the big things that really came up with this recent part of the session that I wanted to tell you about was KPIs and OKRs, and do you have like key performance indicators in your own agency or freelance career that's telling you, are you doing a good job, are you on track to go where you want to go? We don't. So it's something I need to learn about and something I need to implement by the sounds of things, because a lot of them are doing it and it evidently tells you how the business is doing and how you're doing as well. I'm now doing QA on our website that we're delivering for Friday. I haven't done the design, I haven't done the development on this, but I'm still doing quality assurance, which is just checking the developer's work against the design and making sure that it's perfect. I feel like everything that you do in your agency, you should have done at least once or twice, and it's just a matter of just checking somebody's work. So for the minute it's fine, but I definitely need to hire somebody to be able to replace me in that role pretty soon. Hey guys, just chopping up the vlog at the moment. And if you like what you're seeing at the moment, you've been enjoying my content, please leave a like and a comment. Tell me what you do like, and if you don't like something, tell me what you don't like as well. I really want to improve on this as I go along. Believe it or not, 60% of people who watch my videos at the moment aren't subscribed to my channel. So please, if you can, help me out. And see you later. Bye. So the thing I love about Coda is you can pretty much make anything that you want that fits your company or team. In this case, we have our tasks split by projects. And here we have like what the task is, some comments, some images and stuff to attach, and then different stages and due dates, and then whoever owns it as well. I'll show you another example quickly. So we then have this QA ticketing system, wherein I'm going through and spotting mistakes, adding some text and image and allowing the person to know, and then they just come through and check it once it's done. And as I said, like the last part of automating this agency, so I'm not doing anything, so to speak, is to get somebody to do this QA on like a white label setup. So if you guys know anybody who could do QA for me, leave a comment, I'd be really appreciative. Something I've never had written down, but was really important to sort of jot down on the train journey back whilst my girlfriend was asleep, was the vision for the company and kind of where I want to take it. So I think my overall goal is 10 to 12 employees. They're earning 100 to 120,000 per employee. So we'll be turning over 1.2 to 1.4 million. We have a 30% profit margin, so that means we'll have £300,000 a year net to do fun things with. So I'm working today on the website that we've been making for the electric car company. I can actually show you a bit more now. Although I'm trying to get out of fulfillment, I'm a really big advocate of just having like a few simple fades and animations that really just give that little bit of a touch up to a website and give it a bit of interactivity and motion. The idea being is that this sort of simplistic animation that you guys are seeing now, or just simple fades, is like our lowest package. Whereas like if they want something, let me show you. Want some animation like this project that we did, with like really nice loading animations and stuff like that, they'll have to pay a lot more. Vlog just met Ritu from the Data Duck. She works with a load of cool startups. They built the first app for a company called Calm back when they were a website apparently, and then scaled it to an app. I met Ritu through lunchclub.ai or .com. Guys, if you are struggling with networking or just want to meet some really cool people, I can't recommend this app enough to you. Hey vlog, just recording a video today. Something new that I'm going to do on our website is when they click book a call or schedule a call, a pop-up form is going to appear on the website. As you can see here, there's a Loom video attached, which is kind of like an intro of me just chatting away about what we do, although I'll be replacing that video with a video of me sitting here. And they can then book a call using Calendly on the right hand side, like so, and then just hit confirm. All done within the website, feels a little bit more clean. And the video is just an intro, but it's a good sell because they can immediately see if I'm the kind of person that they gel with or not. And what I'm trying to get across is like, I want them to understand that there's a human behind the face of the business and to connect with them on a more personal level. And I did it so perfectly to begin with. Okay, so I'm about to do our weekly review now. If you remember last week, I said I wanted to start having a bit more visibility on tasks that we're getting done, how many meetings I'm having each week, where we can make improvements and where I'm spending most of my time as well, so we can be a bit more efficient with the way that we're doing things. So now I'm just going to spend the next 1 to 2 hours looking at everything that we've done so far, where we can make improvements, what was a success, what didn't go so well, and just having a bit of a think really. So yeah, weekly review starts now. Hey vlog, so I thought I'd show you the review system that I've kind of created in Coda now. So we have weekly reviews, which then feed into a monthly review, which then feed into a quarterly review, which then feed into a yearly review. And I'm going to try and do this every year now. We have positives and learnings from it. And then I have my coaching stuff from my lifestyle coach as well. So I can view what tasks got done on what project for that week. And then I can also look at all of our meeting notes from all the meetings that I had that week as well. And I'm tagging them by whether they're staff, a lead, internal. So I can quickly get an idea of how much time I had to spend discussing stuff with people and how much time I was actually spent selling. This week I spent a lot of time on building our really cool meeting system where it was really cool, but I spent like 2 days building it, and because of that our website hasn't been finished again this week. It's one of those, right, where like you got to have these weekly reviews so you can realize this stuff so that next week I can make sure it doesn't happen again. So as I said, the important part of these weekly reviews is not only to realize what I did wrong, but also I need to have action points of what to do with that. And then I need to schedule it if it is something that can be scheduled as well. So this way we're like constantly improving what we're doing, and we're making sure that we're refining the systems and processes that we have in place, because there would be nothing worse than doing all of this stuff, doing these weekly reviews, writing this all down, and then there's just like no actionable data. And yeah, I just end up doing nothing. That'd be awful. So vlog, that's the end of this week. As you can probably tell, I'm still doing a lot of internal stuff at the moment. It really is a process from moving from freelancer to agency, and everything that you have to set up in between to make sure that that it all runs smoothly. And I would like to ask everybody in the comments this week to tell me something that is going well for you at the moment in your own agency or career. Share it with the community, and let's get some positive comments going. See you later. Bye.